Hey, it's Clay Chart, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol OTTV. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I got to say that the bulls were absolutely cruel to the, not really cruel to the bears. They make it a good example of why running around like a chicken with your head cut off is just not the strategy to have. Case in point here, there is no question about it that people were selling and panicking during this move. How can I say that? Well, the price is going down and there was volume implying there was selling that was occurring. And if, this is why I laugh at people, oh, charts don't work, charts don't work. What a coincidence. And I talked about this yesterday, so this isn't anything new, but look right where the price ultimately decided to level off, right there at that green line that I've drawn before. And I'm not sitting here proclaiming I have some sort of secret system, nothing like that. This is something that anybody can learn how to do. You just got to put in the time and effort to do it. And I guarantee you that people that use charts were down there accumulating some shares, and the people that panicked, totally taken to the woodshed, and you look at what happened today. And this is why the market is a cruel place. This is why people that just make it up as they go aren't going to succeed. Move here, the cool heads, the people that actually understand charts, were level-headed, picked up shares there, and they were rewarded very nicely today. So now that that kind of learning lesson is out of the way, let's get the chart updated here from a support and resistance perspective. First level of support, I'm just going to use these lines here since they don't really pertain. They still pertain, they're not relevant. So that's what I meant to say there. But ideal level of support going forward is going to be up there at 0032, meaning, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Definitely 0032. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But ideally speaking, if the price can stay above there, that would certainly be the biggest sign of power. And then another area of support, again, yes, this line that I'm moving still pertains. It's just not relevant. But then that next area of support right down there around 0029. So those are the two newest areas of support. Now for the fun stuff, what about potential areas of resistance? So always a good problem when you have to scrunch up the chart like this. So where's the next potential battleground? As far as the next historic battleground here, going to be right up there. Did it hit it today? Oh, 0037. So that makes perfect sense why the price got rejected, why, or where it did today. Why do I say that? Well, you go back in the history and you can see right there immediately where it got rejected. So not saying 0037 is impossible to break, just saying that it makes sense why the price did struggle with it today, and that'll be public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, a very, very nice day on the bulls' part. So now it's just a matter of seeing if they can build upon it. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.